More of Austin's restaurants are adding gluten-free menus. Doctors say it's one way to help people with celiac disease and gluten sensitivities.
But what about people who just want another healthy option? Is it a good choice? KXAN medical reporter Gigi Barnett answers that question.
It's like Play-Doh.
Oh, not quite.
Oh, yeah. It doesn't do philosophy.
You're full of it today.
For Karen Morgan, almost everything about her business is icing on the cake. She owns the Blackbird Bakery. It's an all gluten-free shop in Lakeway. But there's one thing that isn't so sweet. Her celiac disease that doctors diagnosed her with 15 years ago.
I kind of went through this depression, and I think a lot of people who are first diagnosed are because they feel like there's no selection.
So she launched the shop, and her customer base across the board is growing.
We have people who have arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis. They want to decrease inflammation. They go gluten-free. We have celiac disease.
Celiac disease is a hereditary autoimmune illness that's aggravated by the gluten in protein. While eating gluten-free may make the difference for some, doctors say an all gluten-free diet won't offer significant health benefits for people who don't have celiac because it strips away heart-healthy grains. In fact, Dr. Ellis, an Austin-based gastroenterologist, says eating too much gluten-free may have an opposite effect.
Because you're using flour usually derived from nuts, which has more calories, so you can actually gain weight.
Dr. Ellis says celiac disease may be one of the most underdiagnosed diseases of our time. He says for every 1 or 2 people diagnosed, there may be up to 7 more dealing with symptoms.
That is 110% correct. For some reason, there is a huge swath of people that are having a really hard time with gluten.
Morgan says that means a bigger slice of the customer pie for her. In Lakeway, I'm Gigi Barnett, KXAN News.
And when it comes to offering gluten-free products in restaurants, Austin trails other cities like Portland, Oregon and Boulder, Colorado. We wanted to know how many restaurants in Austin have gluten-free items, so we got in contact with the creators of the NEMA sensor. It's an app that lets customers track and rate gluten-free restaurants. They learned that Austin has more than 30 or all or partially gluten-free restaurants.